Open and appropriately arrange the PriMus and the PriMus-K documents on screen. With a drag and drop, copy a price list item into the activities table. Specify the total quantity for the inserted activity. Even move, again with a drag and drop, a group of selected items. Specify the quantity for each item of the group inserted in the table. With the drag and drop replace feature, you can replace the table activity item. Specify the item's total quantity for the newly replaced activity item. You now get the activity table items also copied in the activities list editor together with the single resources if the activities are analyzed.